to eat these. These cooked for 30 minutes and they look perfect. Here's my plate, and yes, I will be eating all of these. And I like to serve them with green Tabasco. I've got to go eat these, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye. My parents make these stuffed mushrooms only on the holidays. They're absolutely delicious, and I'm craving them. So let me show you how they make them, because I want them. Starting off with some mushrooms. These are gorgeous. They're nice and big, so they are perfect for this, because when they're super little, they're hard to work with. There's some more in here too that I am definitely gonna make, but that's all that fit in my strainer. So let me show you how this goes. First step, you need to remove the stems. So they just pop out like that, and then put this on a cookie sheet because that's ready to go. And then you're gonna wanna dice up the mushroom stems pretty fine, and then you're gonna add them to a saucepan. I've got all my mushroom stems in there, so now I'm gonna go ahead and add in, we'll do 2 cloves of garlic, and then I'm also gonna add in half a stick of butter, about 4 tablespoons. This is probably where I get it from. A lot of you guys are always like, oh, like, can you share the recipe or like the measurements? I don't measure anything, and I think I probably get that from my parents because they don't measure anything either. So I've got 2 garlic cloves in there. I'm gonna add in, this is 4 tablespoons of butter. Just because this is like a small batch. Usually my parents will do like a whole stick when they're doing them on the holidays. But I'm just making a small tray just for us. So half a stick of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, and all the stems. I'm gonna bring this over to the stove and we're gonna cook it. In addition to filming the mushrooms for you guys, I'm also making Kennedy's lunch. So I'm like all over the place right now. If you were wondering, Kennedy's having some rotisserie chicken from last night, sweet potatoes, and cauliflower. So this already smells so good, and it's literally just mushroom stems, butter, and garlic. While the stems finish up back there, I'm gonna go ahead and get started crushing my Ritz crackers. It's gotta be Ritz brand, okay? Listen, I don't know much about much, but we've been using these at least for 26 years, as long as I've been around, so you have to use the Ritz brand, okay? But realistically, any cracker will work, but it's gonna be the Ritz brand, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and crush these. This is how my dad always like taught me. You crush it while it's in the package to make less of a mess, but Dad, if you're watching, you know I somehow always still make a mess. All right. My garlic, mushroom, and butter mixture cooked for about, I don't know, like 5 minutes. So now that everything is melted and slightly cooked, you're gonna add that into your crackers. And now the fun part. Oh, I also added some salt and pepper too to the mushroom stems. So at this point, we've got Ritz, mushroom stems, butter, garlic, salt, and pepper. But now we've got a couple of other fun add-ins. I'm not gonna say this out loud because y'all know that my husband, if he knows that this is in there, he will not eat it because he just doesn't like me. But I love it. And my parents do this, okay? Like, this is a part of the recipe. So it just gives it a little zing, you know? So because this is a small batch, you don't need much. Maybe like 3 to 4 tablespoons. And then, so now I'm gonna put this away quick so he doesn't see it. I will say though, he literally, like, he loves these mushrooms, has no idea that this is in it. No idea. My lemon press is in the dishwasher, so we're going old school here. I'm just gonna squirt my lemon in over a sieve. I probably should have rolled this first because this is a very uptight lemon, all right? It's good, but it's missing something. Hold on. I added in another sleeve of the Ritz. I think this is good. Usually there is a couple other ingredients. I just don't have them on hand. Do I have parsley? Parsley's not a make it or break it thing. But yeah, I am missing a couple of ingredients, but still delish. This part's pretty self-explanatory. Take your mushroom. You can't see what I'm doing, but you add in your stuffing. And then once you have them all filled, then you go back and if you have any extra stuffing, you just kind of try and figure out where you can add it in. Oh, that's a big one. This is perfect timing. Kennedy just woke up, so I'm gonna go up, give her her bottle, give her her lunch. These are going in the oven at 350 for, I don't know, about like 30 minutes. I'll let you guys know. And then I'll show you my favorite way to eat these. These cooked for 30 minutes and they look perfect. Here's my plate, and yes, I will be eating all of these. And I like to serve them with green Tabasco. I've gotta go eat these, so I'll catch you guys later. Bye.